Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna be watching another 10 minutes of these incredible driving fails. So buckle up, this is going to be one bumpy ride, and let's get started. Alrighty. I guess there wasn't anyone in the back, because they would definitely fell out. And that wouldn't be a pretty sight. Oh, that was impact and a half. I like how he reacted. He did the job for me. Actually, the ambulance thing reminded me of Top Gear. You know that episode when they had a challenge to make ambulances, and the Hammond installed ejecting seat, or should I call it ejecting bed for the patient? And when he parks in front of the hospital, he presses the button and launches his patient right through the hospital door. That was hilarious. That's one of the best episodes ever. You need to watch that, guys, if you didn't. It's amazing. Truck on the road. Movie than cornflakes. Oh no. That fence needed repairs anyways, so who cares? Oh, easy, tiger. That was well parked, actually. Good job, my dude. You spin me right around. Ouch. That actually was much worse than I expected. Moving on. Let's see here. The airbag is working. It's something, you know. He rolled over. How the hell did that happen? Russians and the ability to turn left. And yeah, one more random thing, guys. I wanted to ask Macmillan, my dear subscriber, is that your real last name, or is it from Call of Duty 4? Let me know in the comments. Move on, let's move on. Hold it. That's one wild little red car. Let's see here. Holy cow. Damn. Mitsubishi Evo, I think. Oh. I don't know about this one. They're both kinda at fault here. That Volvo wanted to avoid collision with that truck in front, and on the right side that was bus lane, so you cannot drive there, and the Mitsubishi wanted to drive on bus lane, so I don't know. I think they're both at fault here. Oh, that's a big ass excavator or bulldozer, I don't know. Oh, that hurts. That hurts. As if it wasn't enough to drive over him, he smashed him with that thing in front. Damn, that was an unusual crash, to say the least. If I was him, I wouldn't try my luck on that excavator, just to be safe. Behold everyone, this is a brand new Russian technology. Drive-through, wash your car. You know, you just go in there and wash your car. And that guy was first satisfied customer. Damn. Let's see here. Oh, another one. It was... Oh, mates. Whoa. There's so much going on in these videos, I can't even keep up. Oh no. The option number one here was to stay in your lane and to hope for the best, to hope that that guy will manage to avoid you or to turn left, but there's also a risk that the other guy would try to do the same thing. So what would you do in that situation? Let me know in the comments. It's a really tricky one. Oh wow, what was that, mate? Really? Is that guy from England or something? I don't know. What do we have here? Everything is good so far. Oh! He hit him so hard he sent him to another country, probably the Ukraine or something like that. Sorry guys, those were minor technical issues, but now everything is okay. Maybe I should edit it out, but we'll see at the end of this video. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, 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 oh no, no, I thought they're gonna make it. Well, the first two guys did, but the third guy didn't have much choice, didn't he? Around and around we go. That's a nice Volvo, by the way. That wasn't too bad. Could be worse. What the heck is going on? Yeah, great idea. No big deal. On icy road, just switch lane in front of somebody. Nah, it's okay. What? Did that guy fall asleep? Maybe he did. Anyways, that was dodgy. Ka-chow! Let's see here. Oh, that guy has the same problem probably. He fell asleep too, maybe. That was not good. That was interesting. Boop. Oh, hello, mate. Oh, I didn't see you because of my 12-gauge shotgun, boy. That was actually in the USA. That's why I'm talking like this. Oh, that Merc just smashed into that guy. What do we have here? Amazing. Amazing stuff. You know, his level of driving skill is high when you see those stickers on the window, especially on the windscreen. Say hello to my little friend. Let's see here. Actually, that was a really stupid mistake for a taxi driver. They're supposed to be experienced drivers, and this one obviously isn't. So, yeah. Anyways, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a comment, and also make sure to smash that like button below. That will help a lot. And also, if you're new, subscribe and click on that notification bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next one. Hasta la vista, baby. Ciao.